Okay, here is something that you won't find anywhere. At least right now, as I'm recording this video, it is not there. The only platform that does this is Builderall, and I'm talking about instant commissions. Any affiliate network that is out there right now, there is no affiliate network. Even if it's a client, whether you're an agency, there is no client or affiliate network that pays instantly like Builderall. As an Builderall affiliate, you get paid instantly, and it's not only that, you get paid 100% commission on the first amount that is paid. So you don't have to wait. There is no minimum amount. Whenever someone buys from your affiliate link, instantly you get paid to your PayPal account. How cool is that? I mean, nowhere in this world, all the affiliate networks, they don't have this instant payment. All of them, you have to pay. You have to wait for a certain period of time. Some 30 days, some even takes longer than 30 days. Some you have to meet the minimum payout amount, which can be stressing. But then if you want a quick cash, that you want to use it like today, you want to make sure that you open an account on Builderall and you take the Funnel Club package if you're already on Builderall. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to join the Builderall team, and I'm also going to display the link on the screen. Make sure that you go join, you start getting instant commissions. Alright, goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.